Hi guys, logging to the Telegram desktop application via QR code is a pretty simple process. Let me guide you through. So first of all, on your laptop or PC, click on Start Messaging in the opened application. Now you see this QR code. And next you need to have a Telegram application on your smartphone to log in via QR code. So open the app on your smartphone. Now tap on the three bars menu. If you have more than one account in your smartphone, tap on this arrow next to your username and select account you wish to log into. Now once again, three bars menu. Now go to settings and scroll down to devices and tap on link desktop device and just scan this QR code. All successful. Now just wait for a while and voila, that's it. Hope this was helpful guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.